Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely Audi TT. Now this must be one of the cleanest examples on a 2015. We're finished in Tango Red, lovely factory options on this vehicle as well. This is a 2-litre petrol vehicle, manual, very driver orientated, so it's 230 brake horsepower, so quite nippy. In Tango Red, lovely sporty colour which shows off the lines of the car very well. We've got LED daytime running lights, we've got the headlamp wash for those as well. Lots of chrome detailing all throughout the vehicle. We're riding on these lovely alloy wheels, multi-spokes, finished in a lovely sparkle silver, and those are 18-inch alloys. All four in absolutely superb order, so free from any curbing and riding on very nice tyres. Condition wise, as I said, this must be one of the nicest ones on sale. So looking at the actual door edges, looking at the grab handle, you can tell it's been well cared for. Looking at bumper corners coming through to the back, no scuffs, paintwork's all in nice order, no signs of any dents. Looking through then to the boot, parcel shelf is present. Obviously it's a two-part parcel shelf, so you've got some that holds in the roof or the boot lining, and then you've got the one that's set in there. You've got split folding rear seats, first aid kit, a bit of added storage down there, your battery, your tyre inflation kit, that's all found under there. LED rear tail lamps, and then poking our heads inside, on these you get the lovely sporty half leather and suede cloth sport seats. So seats themselves are in very nice order. Obviously they're quite a low car, so when you look at the bolsters, when you look at the seat base, they're in nice order. Looking through then to the boot or the rear, you can tell that's all in nice order as well. Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. Front electric windows, we've got heated front seats, leather multifunction steering wheel, flat bottom. You can control most things off of here. So on these Audis you get a virtual cockpit. So as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 18,200 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Then you've got your radio on there, your Bluetooth phone. We've got cruise control and speed limiter. We've got lane departure warning, automatic lights, automatic wipers, heated front seats, climate control with ice cold air conditioning, drive select. You've got your aux and USB found in there. Push button start, 6-speed manual transmission, center scroll wheel for the display. You've got your shortcut buttons for everything there. Electric parking brake, central armrest, which is in lovely order, and then you've got a cup holder in there as well. Drive spot on, sounds quite beefy being the 2-litre petrol, but a lovely drive and fantastic specifications. So if you'd like any more information on the car, give us a call, 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.